You must be searching how to cheat in Honorlock. Can I cheat on Honorlock in 2026? Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to explain how to cheat in Honorlock, and I am going to answer, can I cheat on Honorlock in 2026? Students always search for the best way to cheat with Honorlock, and in this video we are going to cover both technical and some conventional ways to cheat on Honorlock in 2026. First, I will explain technical method to cheat on Honorlock. Technical method, as its name refers, involve technical expertise to bypass Honorlock. In this method, custom remote connection servers are installed in students' laptop to bypass Honorlock browser, and these custom servers remain totally undetectable by Honorlock. This method is the most advanced method till 2026. So if you need professional help with the online exam, call our experts. To get help with your exam from professional and technical experts, contact us at examarcher@gmail.com or fill out our test help request form to get an excellent score and service. You will get best service and we take no advance payment and get grades of your own choice. Conventional ways to cheat with Honorlock. There are many conventional ways to cheat in an exam, like making tiny notes, using your mobile phone, or using a virtual machine, but advanced security measures of Honorlock browser make it very risky to cheat using these conventional ways, as eyes movement away from the screen can flag the exam. So we will not recommend these methods. Let's just answer some most asked questions about Honorlock cheating. Can you cheat with Honorlock? Answer is yes, but with right tools, as Honorlock monitors students' screen. Will Honorlock stop test if you cheat? If you get caught during cheating, then it will stop your exam. Is it easy to cheat on Honorlock? With right tools like technical expert method, yes, it is pretty much easy. Conclusion: which method is best to cheat with Honorlock in 2026? As we discussed, there are various ways to cheat with Honorlock, but best method is considered one which is safe and secure, and that is technical expert method. The plus point of this method is technical expert manages from doing setup to take exams, and student don't have to worry about anything. Technical method is 100% safe, and best thing about this service is you don't have to make any upfront payment. Good luck!